to That Girl Diary. C9 here. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. So this video will be about a homemade cucumber eye mask. So some of the ingredients that you're gonna need: cucumber, cotton rounds, and water. So what you'll have to do is first take your cucumber, either juice it. I don't have a juicer, but I'm gonna blend my cucumber, pour a little water in it, mix it all together and strain it. I'm gonna take my cotton rounds and place it into the cucumber sauce or cucumber water and then squeeze it out a little bit. I'm gonna put those cotton rounds into a plastic bag, or you can put it on a plate or whatever. Stick it in the freezer for about 3 to 10 minutes, give or take, depending on what you prefer. If it's frozen, I would suggest you allow it to thaw out. I'm not going to allow it to completely freeze. And then you just put it under your eye. I suffer from dark circles up under my eye, if you can see, and puffiness due to lack of sleep. So this is a great way to lighten that area. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I am taking a cucumber, cutting it up in half, and then I cut it up in smaller pieces so that I won't have super big chunks inside of the blender. Next, I'm gonna take a half a cup of water and blend it up. I'm looking for a nice smoothie consistency. Then I'm gonna take my strainer and pour the cucumber juice inside the strainer. Make sure I get all of the juice out. Now I'm gonna take my cotton rounds and dip it into the cucumber juice and place it inside the ziplock bag, making sure that I get off the excess juice off and make sure I kind of spread it out within the bag. Now I'm gonna place this bag inside the freezer for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm back with the final product. So I'm gonna leave this on my eye. I'm gonna actually cover my eye for about another 10 minutes and see the results. This is something relaxing you can do for pamper night, or just want to just hurry up and get these bags down. This is so relaxing. So I left the cotton rounds on my eye for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can leave it on however long you want to. For me, it did help with the line. This line was deeper, but as far as like lightening the darkness around my eye, I only see a slight change in under this eye. This was a little bit deeper. I think it'll take, of course, more than one time for this to actually work. But tell me what you like. If you like it, thumbs up. Hope you do like it. Tell me what you think and if you would try it. And if you did try it, tell me how it went for you. So thank you for watching That Girl Diary. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.